you've got to be holistic, and every profit center counts. But we're paying particular attention to what McKinsey was saying in an article they wrote 2 years ago, where they see the future of the largest contributors to your net profit. And they're seeing that in tires, collision, and service. So it's not the traditional new car sales or used car sales of F&I. In fact, those were moving down, as the profit centers that were pushing up would be collision and tires. And these are typically areas where dealers do a terrible job. In fact, 80% of our service business is outsourced, right, to third-party vendors, not being done at the dealership. And the collision business, I guarantee it's even higher than that. We're positioning ourselves with those profit centers, and we think that's in line with the news that's come about lately, where you just had England say by 2030 all cars have to be electric. And California, I think, is adopting similar legislation, right? It's coming. The really good thing about the direction we're moving in is whether it's electric or it's run by fossil fuel, it's gonna have tires. So you wanna be in the tire business. Whether it's electric or it runs on fossil fuel, it's gonna crash. So you wanna be in the collision business. And many times dealers steered away from those profit centers. So, you know, in an abstract and strange way, I'm putting emphasis on departments that for many, many years of my career I ignored, and now we're paying particularly close attention to those, as those profit centers will be making a disproportionately large contribution to the bottom line.